and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a home decor haul video. It's going to be a huge one. I haven't done one of these in a while and I've kind of gathered different things that I want to share with you guys. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Paula. I make videos on beauty, on fashion, and lifestyle. So I hope that you'll hit that red subscribe button and that you'll hit that little notification bell. That way you're notified when I post a new video. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I have quite a lot of things to share with you guys. Like I mentioned, things from kitchen decor, living room decor, bathroom, the works. So we're gonna get started, and basically most of this stuff is from Target, from Homegoods, from Marshalls. That's kind of like where I like to shop for a lot of my home decor pieces. Oh, I do also have some Kirkland things, but we're just gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna go ahead and just share with you guys all these items by store. So I'm gonna go ahead and start out with Homegoods. So the first thing I was so excited to find was this cute little pitcher, and this is kind of like a pitcher slash vase kind of thing. I'm planning to use it as a vase for flowers, and I had actually been on a hunt for a cute little pitcher like this for a very long time. I wanted one that was tall enough, that was slim enough, and that was white. And it seemed like I was looking everywhere, and then one day I just like walked into HomeGoods and I literally went to the section where I thought they would be, and I just looked to my left and there it was. It was like shining, like whoa, and I was like, okay, I gotta take it home. This one was $12.99, so I really love it, and I think it's gonna be really cute right now for the spring and for the summertime. And I'm also gonna do my best to try to link these products down below. If I can't find the exact one, I'll link some similar items for you guys. That way you guys can also shop around. And another thing I picked up at HomeGoods were these cute little baskets, and I thought these baskets were so adorable. First of all, I love the colors, kind of like your sage green color, and they came 2 in a pack, and I love these for organization either in the kitchen or in the bathroom. So they were $6.99 for both of them, and I just really like them because I like having little cubbies like this to just categorize my products, whether that be in the kitchen or whether that be in the bathroom. So I love these. These were $6.99 for 2, and I really like them. They're probably like a medium size, but what I really like about them is that they're pretty deep. So you can actually store kind of like your tall products in here, and it's all gonna look nice and neat. So got those. So something else I recently found on HomeGoods was this cute little watering can or pot here, and I thought this was just the cutest little thing. I was on the hunt for one of these because we don't actually own one. Ever since we moved to the house, we never like had an actual watering can, and we usually just use the hose or whatever, but I really wanted to find a really cute one, and I found this one at HomeGoods, and this one was $12.99, and I just thought it was so cute. So I also found this really cute basket recently, and this basket is also from HomeGoods, and I loved this basket just because of the colors on it. I love the neutral gray, white, beige colors on it, and I like that it's pretty deep as well, so it's a pretty tall basket, and I thought this would look adorable either in our guest bedroom or in the living room or even in our master bedroom. So I kind of plan to put like extra throw blankets in here, or some extra pillows, or maybe some magazines. I don't know, you could really use it for a lot of different things, or even shoes if you wanted to, but I just loved it so much. This one was also $12.99. I found that a lot of things were $12.99 at HomeGoods recently, but I thought it was a good price for this really nice quality basket. Another thing I found at HomeGoods, this is for our guest bathroom, is this cute little room spray, and I thought this was so cute because it kind of goes with the theme of our guest bathroom, and it is just like an ocean breeze room spray, and I love how this smells, and I thought it would be so cute to just have in there. These are like fairly cheap at HomeGoods. They're $3.99, and I just love having these around to just freshen up the room. So the next 3 things are from Marshalls, and these are actually some fun pieces for our media room. We actually love the Georgia Bulldogs. We love the Bulldogs just because we both went to school there. So I found this cute little frame that says "Welcome to our home," and it has the Georgia Bulldog G on it, and I thought this was so cute. This one was $7.99. Then I also found some coasters that were adorable as well. These just say University of Georgia, and they're 4 in a pack, and these are $9.99, so I thought these were adorable as well. And then I also found this. This is just kind of like a little wooden tablet that says Georgia Bulldogs and has the mascot on it. Alright, so the next store is Target, and oh Target, my beloved Target, I love it so much. I always find just the best things there. One of the things that I was on a hunt for was a really cute floating shelf, and I found this one at Target recently and I really loved it. This is kind of like a picture edge shelf, so basically you can you can place it on your wall and just have like a frame on it, just kind of tilting, kind of like this picture here, and you could just put little cute stuff on it. So I thought this would be really cute for a guest bathroom, and I really love it. This one was actually $12.99 as well. What is with everything being $12.99 these days? But I thought it was adorable, and it was a pretty good price for a shelf because most shelves were like $20 and up, and I thought this was a good size and a good price for a shelf. Something else I recently found at Target was this cute lamp, and I love this lamp just because it's very chic, very clean, modern. You probably can't even tell on camera what the base looks like, but it's basically like this really pretty glass vase with some geometrical shapes on it, and this lamp was only $9.99. So they have a whole section of lamps that were $9.99, and I thought that was such a great price because usually lamps can run you from like $15 and up, and they can get expensive, but I thought this was like a good size. It's kind of small, but I thought it would be cute, so I'm either going to have this in my office or have it in the guest bedroom. So recently at Target, they've had a lot of things on sale, and I always love to stop by the little clearance shelves. They're usually at the end of the aisles, so definitely check those out. They always have things on sale, but I found this cute little candle there. This was only $2.68, and I thought it was so cute. It smells really good. It smells like the beach, kind of fruity, and I love the little packaging. I love the little lid, so this was also something really cute as a little home decor piece. They also had this cute little tray on sale, and it is just kind of like your blush pink with the gold trim on it, and this little tray was $6.98, and I love this for our bathroom, so I like to put either a candle on it or you know, some like beauty products, and you could really use a tray for anything, but that's kind of what I am envisioning for it. But I just really loved it, and I thought it was a good deal. So the last thing that I picked up at Target is something that I'm already using, so I apologize I don't have the packaging for it, but it was this cute little letter frame, and it was just kind of plain and simple letter frame. These were actually on sale. I think this was like $8 on sale, and I just kind of use it for our kitchen, so I just put like meals of the week and kind of things that we're going to be eating during the week. So this is just kind of like a little sample of what I'm using it for, but I thought this was so cute. You could either hang it if you want, or you can just tilt it against a wall. But yeah, these were on sale at Target. So something else that I picked up, and this is actually from Ross. This is actually the only thing I have from Ross, but oh my gosh, I completely fell in love with this when I saw it, and it's basically a set of 2 frames. They're kind of big, so let me see if I can actually even put them in here. But this is what they look like, and aren't these adorable? They say, "In the morning when I rise, give me Jesus." And I thought these were so cute. They're actually a really good size, and I think I'm going to put these in our master bedroom or in the bathroom. But I thought these were adorable. Like, it's basically 2 frames. They're huge, and they're just a really pretty design, and these were $24.99 for both. I just love that. I feel like at Ross it's kind of like hit or miss, so sometimes you can find a lot of good things there, and sometimes I just don't find anything, but this was one of the days where I just found it and I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, that is adorable, I gotta have it. So that was that. So now moving on to Kirklands. From Kirklands I have just 2 different things, and the first thing I have to share with you guys is another vase, and it's this one right here, and I thought this was so cute. It's just a really pretty blush pink vase. It's kind of narrow, so it's more of like for like 1 rose or 2 roses or whatnot. And this was on sale for $9.99. It used to be $14.99, and it was on sale for $9.99, and they had a lot of these on sale. So I thought it was so cute. I thought it was a really cute piece for either my office or for the kitchen or something like that. And the only other thing I picked up at Kirkland's were these cute little scent satchels here, and I love these. I don't know if you guys ever tried these, but they are all over the Kirkland stores and they smell amazing, like amazing. This one's one of my favorite scents. It's Watermark, and I love having these just all over the house just to freshen up the house. And I even keep them in my car, I keep them at work, and just everywhere that I'm at. I just love having these because they smell so good. These are only $1.99 at Kirkland's, and you can literally put them anywhere. So I just love these little things. The last store that I have things from is Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby is just one of those places that you can literally find everything that you're looking for home decor related things. And I was on the hunt for some really cute like type of mason jar things, and I saw these and I thought they were so cute. These have like little lids on them, and they look like this. And I wanted some mason jars like this so I could store like cotton swabs or cotton balls in them, and I thought these were so cute. These were on sale. You can usually find these on sale half off when they're having like their glass decor sale, and these were originally $3.99, but they were half off, so that's a really good deal. I really don't know anywhere else that you can get some really cute mason jars for that cheap, so I got those. And the last thing that I picked up was a really pretty wall canvas at Hobby Lobby, and it's this one right here, and this one is just so beautiful. It is basically just a little scene of the beach with a little walkway, and it just hangs like this. This was on sale for $15. It's usually $29.99 at Hobby Lobby, but they had it on clearance, and I thought it was just the cutest little thing ever. So that was everything for this home decor haul video. I know it was a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to try to link everything down below with you guys, or some similar options, so you guys can shop around as well. So make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy home decor haul videos. That way I know to make more. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Remember, you're all beautifully and wonderfully made, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.